Good morning, everyone. This is Rahul Sharma, Vedic practitioner from Chicago. Today, I will be releasing my video number 159 on the Akasha Mantra about the space vastness in the Sarvatobhadra Mandal as a box number 33. Again, it's in a continuous series. This has been taken from Karmkand Bhaskar, the book authored by my Gurudev, Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya, Mata Bhagavati Devi Sharma on page 95. You have seen this diagram in multiple videos in the past. This is the Sarvatobhadra Mandal as part of the major puja or major yajna, which has all the numbers from 1 to 33. Today we are touching the last box 33, which is sky or Akasha Mantra, which is nothing but symbol for the consciousness of vastness and infinite possibility. That should be our goal in terms of learning about it. The Sanskrit shlok goes like this: Om ya vam kasha madhumatya shrina sunutra tavati taya yagyam mimishaktam upyam grahito asya vyabhyam tveshte yonirma dhvatya tva. Om akashaya nama avayami stapayami dhyayami. As you understand, it's very difficult for people just to listen or even pronounce this mantra and understand the true reflection in their life. Even if I go with the literal Hindi translation, हे अश्विनी कुमारों, आपका जो मधुर और सत्यवादी कशा है उससे यज्ञ को सींचें. ये यज्ञ अश्विनी कुमारों के लिए है. हे आकाश, आपको नमस्कार. मैं आह्वान करता हूँ, स्थापित करता हूँ, ध्यान करता हूँ. Still we cannot really understand. So the true meaning what Gurudev explained in Hindi is आकाश मंत्र विशालता और असीम संभावनाओं की चेतना विकसित करता है. आकाश की तरह विस्तृत दृष्टिकोण प्रदान करता है. सीमाओं से मुक्ति और अनंत संभावनाओं का बोध कराता है. मन में स्पेस, शांति और विस्तार लाता है. So again, English literal translation may not give you the true impact, but I will go anyway so that you can understand the translation and the true intent. So, O Ashvini Kumaras, with a sweet and truthful whip sprinkle the yajna. This yajna is for the Ashvini Kumaros. O Akash, which is space, salutation to you. I invoke, establish and meditate. Doesn't make any sense even if I translate in English. But once you see the next part, the literal meaning which Gurudev wanted to translate, it make a immediate impact on our life. This mantra, our Akasha mantra on the Sarvatobhadra Mandal, develop the consciousness of vastness and infinite possibility in our life. Is provide the perspective like space, give the freedom from boundaries or limitation and awareness of the infiniteness. It bring the spaciousness like space, peace and exploration of the mind. So that's the actual meaning of this mantra. In Gujarati translation, you can read through it, those who doesn't understand Hindi or English, and you can pause the video to read it in detail, but it gives you the actual meaning and the literal translation also. Now let's understand what our Vedic rishis meant when they created all those shlokas and mantra in a very such a short number of words. They were able to have a very deep philosophical meaning for their spiritual life. So Gurudev Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya taught that Akash or space or ether, which is one of the elements of our body, represents the subtle element, the field of infinite potential from which all manifestation emerges. The mantra invocation of Ashvini Kumar, which is nothing but divine physician. There was a separate mantra in earlier videos about the Ashvini Kumar, which is nothing but divine physicians, reveals a profound connection. These celestial healers work with the Prana, which is our life force, which travels through the Akash. In his cosmology teachings, Gurudev explained, Akash is not an empty void, but it is a medium through which all subtle energies flow. The Prana, the vital life force, moves through Akash like sound waves through the air. The Ashvini Kumars, as divine physicians, command these subtle healing currents that travel through the space. Their sweet, truthful whip represents the disciplined channeling of the Prana through the ether element. The mantra says, Madhyabhyam, which is sweet expansion through Akash, happens gently, not forcefully. Like the Ashvini Kumars who heal at dawn when space is purest. That's why we ask people to wake up early morning and do meditation in the early morning. True consciousness awakens through the expansion of the awareness, not through the aggression. That's the true meaning of this thing. Like Brahmanand or Vyakti, Gurudev wrote that Akash is both physical space and metaphysical consciousness field. The Ashwini Kumar's presence in this mantra shows that healing and expansion are interconnected. As we expand our awareness through Akash, we heal limitation. As we heal through Prana flowing in space, we expand into cosmic consciousness. The mantra invocation represents Vichar Kranti, vision of expanding consciousness of Gurudev. Invoke Ahvan means calling upon the expansive awareness, recognize the prana flowing through the infinite space. Establishing means creating a daily practice of pranayam and meditation, expanding beyond our limited identity. Meditate or dhyan means reflecting that you are not the contents but the container, the space itself through which life force flows. This transforms from identifying with limited ego thought to recognizing yourself as the infinite Akash, witnessing all like space that holds all yet remain untouched. We are the awareness through which we all experience. And let's talk about some of the world leader examples who had followed this philosophy without even knowing about the Vedas. Carl Sagan, an astronomer, a science communicator. Sagan embodies the Akash consciousness, expanding human perspective to cosmic scale. He invoked awe for the vastness through Cosmos TV series watched by 500 plus million, established planetary science and SETI, and meditated on truth that we are made of star stuff, connecting humans to cosmic origin. His pale blue dot perspective demonstrates Akash awareness, seeing Earth as tiny speck in vast space, making human conflicts seem very pretty. Like Ashvini Kumar's sweet, truthful whip, he combined wonder, the madhur, with science, the truth, to expand our minds. His quote, "The cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for universe to know itself." Pure Akash consciousness. Benefit? He authored 600 plus scientific papers, wrote 20 plus books including Cosmos, the best-selling science book ever. He won the Pulitzer Prize, influenced generations to think cosmically, proven that Akash perspective transformed consciousness from tribal to the universal. Similarly, second example of Satish Dhawan, the Indian space scientist, the ISRO chairman. Dhawan exemplified the expanding India's vision to cosmic scale. He invoked India's space ambition in 1972 when nations struggled with poverty. He established ISRO satellite program launching 20 plus satellite, worshipped through mentoring called father of experimental fluid dynamics, and meditated on space-faring benefiting common people, Akash serving the earth. His quiet leadership demonstrated Madhur Sanrita, sweet truth. He declined taking credit, named India's spaceport after Vikram Sarabhai, not on himself. Like Akash containing all without ego, he empowered others. His vision, satellite for communication, weather, agriculture, bringing cosmic technology to villages. Prithvi Antariksha Divi, progression from Earth need to atmospheric satellite to cosmic exploration. Benefit, he launched India's satellite era, mentored scientists who later led ISRO's Mars and other missions. India's spacecraft named, lived 87 plus years with health and full cosmic vision for the welfare. Gurudev's book Brahmand or Vyakti, this is available on the spiritualbee.com. This profound text explores the relationship between cosmos, the Brahmand, and the individual, the Vyakti. The Gurudev detail how Akash space is both physical element and consciousness field. He explained how expanding awareness from ego to universal consciousness transform perspective from limited to infinite. He connects the ancient Akash teaching to modern cosmology and recommended best-selling books if you want to understand the similar philosophy written by other authors currently. The astronomer Sagan's masterwork expands perspective from Earth to universe, 13.8 billion years. His poetic science writing demonstrates Ashvini Kumaras' sweet truth, making cosmic vastness accessible through wonders. His 13-episode journey through space-time literally expands consciousness to Akash scale. How does it relate to this Akash Mantra? Box 33. He embodies expanding awareness to cosmic perspective, shows how understanding our star stuff origins Akash consciousness, transform the narrow tribal thinking to universal compassion when you realize all beings are made of same cosmic element. Action item: understand the meaning and benefits of this Akash mantra in the Sarvatobhadra Mandal. Have a card of Sarvatobhadra Mandal in your wallet or puja place to remind you of each box and its meaning to apply within yourself for total transformation, and then chant this mantra especially for developing the cosmic perspective and expansive thinking. If you are still thinking about the caste and within your own gotra, then you need to definitely read this mantra. Creating inner spaciousness and mental freedom, recognizing infinite potential beyond limitation, and cultivating awareness of the universal interconnection. As recommended, this book, Cosmos by Carl Sagan, that can help you understand. And a full list of books available in this link. If you have any question, reach out to me at rahulrenusharma@gmail.com. Thank you.